Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Sudhakar's Codewords YouTube channel. In the last part, I had told about the Hobbes concepts. What are inheritance? What are encapsulations? Okay, what are classes? What are objects? Okay, how a variable is defined in the class. How methods are defined. How init works. How self works. I had told. Okay, now we'll be moving to the next part. It is about built-in functions. Okay, before going to built-in functions, in Python, if we want to handle the errors, means we have one syntax. That is nothing but we are saying try except. Okay, how this is used will be seen now. Basic error handling you can use. Now try, I would say, and I would say result is equal to 10 divided by 0. I know that the error will be occurring, so I will say except, and I will say 0 divisor error. Okay, I will say this and I will print. You cannot divide 10 by 0. Let me print. You cannot divide by 0. Okay. Now if I run the program is built-in.py, it says that name 0 divisor is not defined. Did you mean 0 divisor? 0 division error. Sorry, 0 division error is not defined. 0 division error. Let me copy this one. Okay, let me copy that one and paste here, and you can say you cannot divide by 0. There are some inbuilt method. See, for exception there are some words as 10 is not divided by 0. Okay, so I wrote that you cannot divide by 0. In this way we can handle the errors. As of now the program would stop in this only and it should have given me the error, but it went to the except and took the 0 division error and printed that. Okay, in this manner the try except work. Okay, now before going to inbuilt, let me say about the list comprehension. Okay, how list comprehensions have been created. Already I have told this one, comprehension. Comprehensions, list comprehensions. If I want to square a number in single line only, means I have to give power for x in range till 10. Okay, and if I write square means it says see 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. Okay, till 9 it will go and it will square the number. That only without comprehension. If I write means it would have taken 3 lines of code. Okay. that too in list format I want means then I have to append in some list empty box in empty list button. Okay, here by single line we can write expression I have given, next loops for loop I give in this print if conditions also can be given. Okay, this was about the comprehension. And one more thing I wanted to see, lambda function. Oh, lambda function works. Lambda functions. Lambda function is anonymous functions, we can say. Then only if I want to square, lambda has been called anonymous function in the sense means we won't give any name to that function. We will square the numbers and I will be giving that number. I said 4 square of 4, 16. See, 16 it has in good. Okay, now let me comment this one and run. See, 16 square of 4. Okay, if I want to add two numbers means lambda x comma y. Initially I am giving the parameters and x plus y. If I do and if I print add x plus numbers 2 comma 4, if I give means 6, it is added to us for 6. Okay, in this manner lambda functions works. We can add to the list also in list comprehension also lambda functions. Okay, now we will come to the built-in functions map, filter and reduce. Map, filter and reduce. Each one take one initial function. Initially it will take a function and some iterables. Each inbuilt function like map, filter and reduce will take some function and iterables. Okay, how it will take, let me show you. Let me define numbers. Numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there, and by using map I will square those numbers. Squared equal to list I will be using, map I will be using, and by lambda function what I am saying x raised to each function. What I told, map initially it accepts the function and iterables. Numbers are nothing but iterables. And if I square the numbers means see 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 20. In this manner map works. Okay, if I want to do the even numbers, even or not, if I want to do this list I would take filter. Here also same, this also takes one function, next mod of 2 equal to 0, and numbers I will be giving, and I will say print even, means it says 2 and 4 are the even, remaining are odd. Initially I had given the function, and this function is lambda only. Now we can do int is a function, string is also function, built-in functions like length, and this man we can give. Last but not the least, reduce. For reduce we have to import functional tools. Function tools, import functional tools, import reduce. These are nothing but functional tool package, or in functional tools I am importing the reduce. And let me sum all the numbers. How to sum now? I will use reduce. It also take lambda and two variables. It will take and x plus y. It will take and numbers. And if I print sum all, means it says number is not defined. Okay, numbers. Fair means 15. If I add all these, means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 means 15 is the total answer. Okay, hope everyone understood about map, filter, reduce, how they are working, how they will work, how they will take two parameters like first function and the iterables. Okay, what they will do, they will take two parameters, one function and another one iterables. Okay, basically map is the one where we have to convert any iterables it will be used. Filter is nothing if you want particularly from 1 to 5, or I can say 5 to 10. In a list of numbers like 1 to 5, I want from 2 to 4 only, means we can use filter. And reduce also is very important. It also acts like the same map or filter, but speciality is whatever the number has been given here, whatever the iterables are there, it will be using those iterables. Same manner it will work. Okay, hope everyone understood about the map, filter and reduce, and what are list comprehensions, how they have been written, and also about the try except, how to handle the errors. Okay, have a good day. Before going, press the bell icon and the subscribe button and share the video to maximum persons.